The ongoing legal fight wey dey go on for Edo State Election Petition Tribunal don take new turn as the People's Democratic Party governorship candidate Dr. Ighodalo and the party don bring more evidence to back their petition. For the hearing wey dem do on Friday, the tribunal wey Justice Wilfred Kpocha dey head adjourn the case go Saturday, January 18, 2025 make dem continue the hearing. The petitioners wey dey challenge the September 21, 2024 governorship election continue their case for the tribunal for Benin as their lawyer Ken Moza SAN presents more documents wey include 55 polling unit voters registers, 56 accreditation figures from INEC BVAS machines, 72 accreditation data wey dem extract and 125 certified copies of Form EC8A from INEC Result Viewing Portal. Dem still tender certificates of compliance with BVAS machines report for 133 polling units and the serial numbers of the BVAS machines wey dem use. This one follow wetin shele for Friday, wey dem tender over 1,000 documents wey the tribunal admit as evidence, even as the lawyers wey dey represent INEC, Governor Okpebholo and APC object to the documents. The INEC and APC lawyers still raise new objections for the documents wey dem tender on Saturday, but dem come talk say dem go explain the reason for the objection for the final argument stage. One member of the legal team of correspondents and also the APC legal advisor, Stephen Okura, come chook mouth on top how the proceedings go as in dey update Tori people.
Today, slated for continuation of hearing. Now they came today, we continue the tendering of documents as exhibits. And so documents were tendered as exhibits, and then, of course, counsels to INEC, to the governor and APC objected. But they now also stated that their reason for objection will be taken at the later stage when they were writing their final written addresses. And so the reason why they have done this is that because election petition is sui generis, it's time bound. By the time they're taking their each objections now and arguing it, you don't have time. And so in the wisdom of the court, you take it after when you are writing your final written addresses. That's what they have done now. It will end today because these exhibits are being tendered in bulks, so they will finish them. They are almost through, so that the next stage will be taking witnesses.
Dr. Ighodalo and PDP carry the matter go tribunal as dem dey challenge INEC declaration of Okpebholo as the winner of the election, and dem dey ask the court to declare say na im win sake of say dem believe say na dem get the highest valid vote. The tribunal wey Justice Wilfred Kpocha dey head don adjourn the case go Monday, January 20, 2025 to continue the hearing. We for TMC TV go continue to give una updates as the matter dey go. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not the take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.